guys, welcome to a random day in the life of your favorite pink lover.
Let us begin with the bad little specimen. Balenciaga's only things I be stepping in. Gucci baby suits, only thing I'm dressing in. Cause I get better than an ABC.
So today, a lot of stuff is gonna happen. Today is kind of one of the go with the flow type of days because you guys know, as a business owner, as a content creator, the days just be going, okay? I have a list of stuff on my to-do list, but I also have things that might come up. But for the rundown today, you guys, we're doing vending machine related stuff. And if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Rika. I'm a pink lover. I'm an entrepreneur. I help people start businesses. All links are in the description box, itasty.com. And I also have on my itasty mascara that's available for wholesale, and my lip liner and gloss. So make sure y'all shop. But we are going to be linking up with another content creator who you guys have seen on my channel before. So we're doing content, he said, from 12 to possibly 5 p.m. But before we get to the vending machine content, I do have to make a quick stop. I do have to go to my P.O. box. And we also have to stop at Home Depot because, y'all, I need to get a new filter for my AC. Really about to be a year since I moved into this house. Like, I just cannot believe it, you guys. It is literally next week, I believe, is going to make it a year since I closed. Okay, a year since I closed on my second baby. But I say that because, y'all, stay tuned, because I'm gonna be doing some changes. Not really changes, but I'm trying to work. I told myself that with this house, I know with my house in Dallas, I always knew that that house was going to be a investment property, and it was always going to be like, I didn't see myself living there long term. So I never really did everything that I wanted to do in that house because I felt like that wasn't my forever home. And even this is not my forever home. But I knew with that house that my days there was very, very temporary, okay? And it's crazy because the end of September will mark 4 years since I closed on the Dallas house. But anyways, y'all, that aside, there are things that I want to do because at the end of the day, whether you know, it takes time to decorate and stuff, okay? So I've learned not to rush everything. So I want to work on my laundry room. I haven't decided if I wanted to paint my entire laundry room pink, but I did order some stuff from Amazon, like a laundry room sign, and I ordered some stuff for my laundry room, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're watching this far and you're not subscribed and you haven't hit the like button, first of all, if you watched this far, so I know that you're a true supporter, comment laundry room, so I know that you're actively watching my videos. Go ahead and comment laundry room right now, so I know that you're watching. But I'm trying to take it one step at a time, y'all, okay? So I'm trying to do the laundry room first. After the laundry room, then I want to move on to my guest bathroom and paint my guest bathroom pink. After the guest bathroom, I want to work on my actual guest bedroom because my guest bedroom currently has my bedroom set from Dallas, and I want to put a pink bed in there. So I'm gonna get rid of that bed, put a pink bed in there, decorate it all nice and cute, okay? And then I want to work on my living room. I need to put some pink curtains up in here, and I want to get a new couch because the couch that I have obviously is from my old house as well. So yeah, y'all, that's just the rundown of stuff that I'm going to be working on. It's not going to be an overnight process. It's not going to be done by next week. This is just, you know, as time is going on, I'll take these things one day at a time because at the end of the day, I have so much other things to do, okay? I got so much other things to do, okay? We got a whole online business. We helping people start businesses. We got these vending machines. So my life is already hectic as is. So we're gonna take it day by day. You guys, so I checked my P.O. box. There was only 2 packages in there, and I did also stop at Home Depot and got the filter for my AC. So now we are at vending machine location number 1. Down of our itinerary.
Okay, so this is the itinerary. We're gonna go to this first location. Rika never seen my AI vending machine, which I'm gonna show her how to use. It's like you've never seen this before. Then after that, we're gonna go to that second location. After that goes to that second location, we're gonna cook. I got an Airbnb. No, we're gonna go to ShopRite first. We're gonna grab some items. We're gonna cook with vending machine items. So we're gonna make
mind y'all, I don't know, I didn't know none of this.
You feel me?
until right now. Like, I didn't know none of this.
I told her 12 to 5. I told her to move, but we have to, the Airbnb, we have to check in at 3. So we have to check in at 3, and we're live streaming it.
And it's 12:38.
And it's 12:30. I told Rika to be here at 12, you feel me? It's 12:38. Like,
First of all, you weren't even here. Y'all, I had to go do I needed to get my AC filter.
should I tell you now or later?
You said we're gonna make vending machine food. That's not a meal.
Well, we could go eat after, but you should be like relatively.
Y'all, my stomach's about to start grumbling, but okay, y'all.
If you don't like it, we could. I'll take you to go somewhere to eat.
Okay, you guys. So we're about to start streaming.
Hold on, we gotta take a picture first. We're gonna do the snack vending machine first. We're gonna do half in the snack vending machine, and then we're gonna do half and half in the AI vending machine.
Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm filling up the AI vending machine. Okay, y'all. Got me working. Okay, I think that's good. He went to go get some more stuff out the car, and he is streaming on Twitch. Y'all know everything is content. Life of a content creator, life of vending machine owners. And we got our microphones. Let me know, y'all. I've thought of if I should do like in-person events at my vending machines with people that want to get into vending machines, and they come to my vending machine with me and we stock it up, or like I show them like how the machine works and stuff like that. Like, spend the day with me. Spend a day with the CEO of iTasty. Some type of event like that. And we go to the vending machines, we ship out orders, we work on content, we just do a bunch of different stuff. But I'll say that and I won't do it unless people motivate me to do it. Like, unless people, you know, keep asking me and then I finally do it. Because I know the people in my mentorship, some of them are in the area, but some of them live in other states. So we'll see. We'll see, y'all. There's Skittles in here. I hate this candy so much. Let me know in the comments, do you like Swedish fish? This is the one candy that I don't like. Y'all hear that, Twitch? This is the one candy as a kid I hated. I just could not do it. Now we are at the second stop, second location. Y'all have seen me here before. And then after here, we are gonna go to ShopRite or a grocery store to get stuff for the Airbnb, and then we're going to the Airbnb. So, getting stuff out the car. Filling up the drink machine first. We got Popeyes. There was a small inconvenience because Donald accidentally booked the Airbnb for yesterday instead of today. So he booked another Airbnb that fast. We did go to ShopRite. I didn't bring my camera. So beef patties, huh? Bacon, Oreos, passion fruit, honey buns. I am not ready to eat these honey buns. On Twitch.
Live on Twitch, man. It might be 2 people in this chat. It might be 2 people in this chat. I'm locked in though, you feel me? One day there's gonna be 10,000.
All I know is these burgers better be good.
These burgers better be good, you feel me? We did get Popeyes before this, keep in mind, bro, because Rico was hungry, so we have to make sure.
Yeah,
we have to make sure.
yeah. So mine is done. How they came out, y'all. I'm scared to try it. I told you I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna be blocking your camera.
Yo, cut right-handed.
Absolutely not. It's already. I mean, it's not nasty. It kind of tastes normal. It's just like a glaze. Like the honey bun is still bready.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. It just tastes like a bread with a glaze. Morning, you guys. So today is the next day. I realized that I forgot to even end the vlog. I forgot to end the vlog. I didn't end up getting home till late, but Yesterday was definitely a productive day. Even my morning today has been so productive. Life of an adult, okay? Sometimes it be so unreal, like, wow, I'm really out here adulting. I'm really out here doing all these things that when I was 10, 15 years ago, all I had to do was go to school. Now I gotta be grown and pay bills and sign contracts and stuff like that. But I did want to give you guys a little outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I know that you're a true supporter and you watch my videos all the way through. What should I have you guys comment? Comment what you had for breakfast today. I have not actually ate anything yet. I don't even know what I'm about to have for breakfast, but comment what you guys have for breakfast. And if you're watching this and you haven't ate breakfast either, comment what you usually have for breakfast. What is your go-to breakfast, your favorite breakfast? Mine is always gonna be a bacon, egg, and cheese with extra mayo. Extra mayo. But yeah, life of a vending machine owner, life of a content creator, life of a business owner. If you guys are looking to start a business, itasty.com got you. Lashes, lip gloss, eyeliner, lip liner, private label. I have starter kits available. I also have my vending machine starter pack bundle on the website, my vending machine vendor, my hair vendor, my press-on nail vendor. So even if you don't want to get into cosmetics, I still have all my personal vendors that I took the time to find and research, and I spent thousands of dollars on the website for you guys. My mentorship link will also be in the description box, so if you are looking to join my Tasty mentorship, get to speak to me every Thursday, ask questions, advice, network with like-minded people. Link will be below. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next vloggy vlog.